perlu perjuangan pada sebab yang pish kena gue part video. Timbun bah ki perlu kejongi ki bah kuat banyo ini ki training bah per bagi jule nak ni kerja jongi mo. Tiada pani pi mentah sini. Kaya ke bagi ngile hak bedi bagi training bah kamde tang mansule training kumbade ban kumbansun ong no bansu nang social media lene ban post social media pikiwe tadi hajo ko por ban ai pi kilat ki rukom ki lenti ban pelila pi bapila ban pendan kam ya ka bapila pendan kam ya ka buat ke sab jong pi bajing nang ke jing tip ke jong pi ban peniru social media kana biki briu kinyo tip pi kinyo pi badru pila ban kamai ling ba ta kasap jong pi peni social media kini kamdan jede ba kata ka basu kamai online ndai ke debi thik harbe kasap jong pi mentasing kidan ki katu kan ningut ki belawan nakani ka beauty and wellness field kumanong no ki badai ki beauticians bat ki ban peni pi mendai tang mahim tang mga morwe ndai ki don ki experts ki content creator ki blapau jong ada jelas ni ki bawan ban ai ya kani ka jing hikai kat kum ka jing don kam jong pi kat kum ka jing dawa le se jong kam ka jong pi kan peni pi mo dei kani ka jaka hang ni peni pi ka dei ka jaka ka bangi ni bu ya ka training institute jong ki training center jong kate di ka pom hang te kani ka building jba mo ni ka surok bandai sa popun mori sa tai ti kathi de kelenti mle semau yong kathi lenti mle seyo pirung ben nang to kum tu bat pisarung shani bat kan sawan ka kelenti shani ti kani de jaka ka bangi gile ti ngano bhalashu on pi pi kile yu ne ko mo
so now this one of you mentioned that this I feel like now I'm selling this one to you guys. It's more complicated, whereas that it's just different types of flowers that smell really nice and sweet together, along with vanilla, also as a base. Mom, your perfumes, how would you sell them? And who would you sell them to also? You have to be a little bit tactical, right?
This is supposed to go to a very dramatical place, maybe.
Yeah.
Like, maybe to that place and then take pictures or maybe take a video over there.
Yeah, that's fine, right? Like love letters, okay. I think I understand what you mean. You mean that like okay, these young kids they go together to a place and they apply this perfume and in itself it's like a nice vibe. If I wanted to sell you this perfume, what I would say is a sweet person like you deserves something sweet. You know? So that's one. That's very simple, okay? That's like
we have to say something at kind of a notes in the video.
That's one.
Ketu kedai ke rukum ai training na bata jong kini ki ba kwa ban di ki products ki jong ki online ki ba kwa ban ai kita ki beauty tips ki jong ki online ba kum da termo tibat kani kedai kani kamdi tanam ta jong ki ni kedai ta jong phiru la phiru pi kwa ban le ki online ding ba Instagram ding ba ki YouTube ba ki we ki ba persang ban pen yeng ke business ke jong pi bagi berikan tips pang business jong pi pang ki products jong pi ba ki we ti mdai tang mai ndai kin don ki ru ki ban la wan ai yang jing kai tel dong social media sukop tang ba shule video ba shu share reel ba ki we kam dai tang ta bon bagi ke don ke sales ke don ke marketing ke don strategy ba pher ki don ki products ki branding ki don ki jing ya day ki way ki brio hak be de ba communications ka be de ba ka public speaking hak be de ba ka kata ka psychology jong ki brio manu ki ban phiet manu ki bam phiet hanu ko por phien pen i ya ka jing sngo jong de hanu ko por phen buri jing sngo jong de bat ki ba bon bagi ke video social media na ta daw la phiru phi kwa ban nang ban sngo thu ban yo jing kai ba ka social media ba phila pen kam ki social media na ta ki kam ki jong phi na ta ka jing in ka jong phi te ngan sabu ni number hapo jong kani ki description phi phila ban phone ban WhatsApp register renta jong ni ki page ba pher but ba phila ban yo jong kai but kumnu ba phila pen kam ki social media nam ta jing kam ki jong phi ru mi share me phi pa video par lo please bon share like subscribe please bon tip top